Hello guys and welcome back to Kids Coding Playground. So today we'll be working on part 6 of Among Us platformer game. Where we left off last time was we did the laser and the spike. Today we'll probably work on the imposter. If we have enough time then we can work on the smasher. If not, we'll pick up that on the next lesson. So this is what we had last time for the code. I think I explained it many times. So I'm just gonna scroll around just in case you guys miss anything. So just feel free, press the pause button and then just make sure that you get all the code. Okay? Alright. So that was the main character. Okay? Then we have the animated character here. Okay, for the code. Alright. And then we have the ground. The ground's pretty simple. Trampoline. Like that. Okay. The spike, pretty simple, and then the laser was a little bit more code we did yesterday. So let's move it down a little bit so that we could try to fit everything in one small screen here. Okay. Alright, so that was the laser code pretty much. Okay, so let's work on the Among Us. We're gonna use the imposter. I already have it, but basically it is just the animated character that we had. Same color, same costume, you know, same thing, right? These guys, same, so exactly the same. So what we are going to do is we're gonna make it like move and stuff like that, patrolling around and stuff like that. Okay, alright. What we can do is we can take some of the code from the trampoline or spike, doesn't matter. Don't take the laser, laser a little bit more complicated. So let's just go with this one. Let's take all this over here first. And then we are going to make some change to the code. Okay, so this and then this. Okay, alright, let's kind of spread them out a little bit. Set up the clone and then the high. Okay, so let's go start this. I will set the rotation style to left and right so that it won't flip around, or you can just use this here. Make sure you select the center. Okay. Alright, and then what we're going to do is the delete, reset, same thing, that is fine. Okay. Okay, so let me move this thing down, take that out. Okay, alright. What we're going to do is we're going to create another custom block here. Make a new block called patrolling around. Okay. You can leave this one here, you don't need to check it. So this not needed. Okay. Okay, let's work on this. Move down here. We're gonna use the forever loop here. Okay, let's see, forever loop. I'm gonna repeat 25 times. Okay, motion, I'm gonna put in direction, point in direction 90, basically going to the right. And then we can say change X by 5 step. Okay. And then we are going to use the look next costume. Okay, and then we're gonna duplicate this, but I'm gonna switch it back to idle in the back here after 25 steps. And we are going to put a little bit of weight here so that it kind of stops and then turn around kind of thing. 0.5, and we're gonna put this back here. I'm gonna do like a negative 90. And we're going to change X by -5. And then at the end we will also change the back to idle costume, and we're going to put a little weight again also after that. So 0.5. so this is pretty much the patrolling around. Basically he's going to move around here back and forth. You can do that, and then go back up here. Or we start as a clone. We can change his color so you can use this change color effect. Okay, and then you can pick a random, and you can say like maybe doesn't matter, 25 or to 175 or 200 or whatever. Okay, and then after that we don't need this anymore. We are going to move it to another place later. I mean, not another place, we'll create another clone. We'll just put on the side here for now. Okay, so for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to call this new block that we just created patrolling around. Okay, so this patrolling around, we'll call this block here. Okay, and then we have the clone, so not the trampoline. Okay, just put it as the walk one or something like that, and then I'll create a clone myself. That's good. So this will change it later, different position that we want to put this character. So this is moving the character, right? And then we will want to do another when I start as a clone. Remove that. What I'm going to do is going to kind of play the walking sound, just like what we had for the other sprite. It has this sound, right, walking. So we want to play that whenever we hit the 6 costume or something. So what you can do is get this forever loop here, put this under here, and then take this if condition, put this here, and then go to operator, take the equal, and then go back over here and look. There's a costume number, right? Just drag that here. We just say 6, whatever. And then we are going to play the sound, walk until done. Okay, so this one doesn't block these other forever loops, so you don't want to put this together with this. So never want to do that. Create 2 different broadcast message, receive broadcast message, and do your stuff. Okay, that will actually be better. So we need another one when I start as a clone. Okay. What we want to do this here is we're going to check if the play actually touched the main character. Okay, so we'll put this under here. We're going to broadcast die. Okay, so basically when it starts as a clone, so you see there's 3 clones. So when it starts as a clone, we'll do this code, and this code. Okay, alright, so let's kind of zoom out a little bit, so make sure we got all our code. So this is the reset on the top. Okay, so level 1 we will not have him, maybe level 2. Let's see what level 2 looks like. Go over here, maybe we'll put him like right here or something like that, right? So let's go to level 2. So let's set our main character to level 2 for testing. Okay, set it over here. Let's go back to the imposter. Okay, so for level 2, let me see, I'm going to put him somewhere. So let me just start first. So this is level 2, I'm going to put him somewhere right here. Maybe I push the control M, push the letter M. So give me the position. Let's just say maybe 150, and then, I don't know, we can't adjust it, okay? Just trying to adjust it and see. So let's put this here, oops. So you say level 2, I want to put it at 150, 97. I don't know about 97. I think 90 is actually better. I think this sprite's a little bit bigger, so let's run it. So you see he's a little bit farther away, right? We want to make him a little closer. You can do like maybe 140 or something. So let's start again. So 140 is still pretty far. He run off a little bit off the screen. Let's do 120. I don't know. Let's see. So even 120 is still 100. Let's just put it on 100. Or let's just put him at 90. Okay, let's try 90. I think 90 will be better actually. So you see he moving. Yeah, 90 is good. So he doesn't go off the screen. So you see how he run all the way over there. Stop. Let's change it. Turn around and then run the other way. So and then every time we start the thing, it has a different color. So because of this change color effect. Okay, so let's just try it. If we touch it, does it die or not? Okay, just wait here. Ah, sorry. Let's see. Yeah, so I die and then I come back over here. So that is working fine. So yes, you can see it's working fine. Okay, so we'll get the other one. We'll get the smasher. Okay, the smashers, you can just draw it yourself. So I drew it like with some gray and then white, and then I draw the box here, small box, and then some spike. I took it from here, just flipped it around, put it here. I'll give you guys this sprite too. If you want, you can download it or you can just make your own. Okay, very easy. Okay, all right, so we have the smasher here. So let's work on this, the smasher. So the smasher is also similar to, like, you know, the other clone that we've been doing. So we'll try to do that. So for the smasher, I have a sound here, like a crushing metal sound. I'll provide the sound. You can upload it here. Okay, you know how to upload the sound, right? Just click on this, say upload, and then select the your MP3 or whatever WAV file. Okay, so let's just play this. So it's like kind of like the metal falling down. Okay, all right, so let's just take it from the trampoline, like we were using trampoline earlier. Same thing. Let's just take this, drag it here, take this, drag it here, this, drag it here, this, and this. Okay, all right, let's separate them out. The reset here, the setup here, the clone here. Okay, and then my custom block here, and this is my function. Okay, all right. Okay, let's look at the one of the level that we have something that we can crush it down. I think level 4 has it. So what we want to do is we can put it up here and then crush it down. And also, if you're doing the crusher, right? Because since this is the ground, it has it on top. So make sure that you don't have any sprite, any blocks, like these blocks shouldn't be around here. If you have it here, that one will not smash down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it smash down until it touches the ground sprite, which is this part here or any of the part here on this sprite. So make sure you don't have anything on this side. We're making the smasher down. Okay. All right. So let's go to the number 4. Let's start with number 4 here. We'll change it to 4 so that when we start, you know, we have the smasher on number 4. Okay. And we can do the mouse here. So somewhere around here, you see 200 and 150, something like that. We'll adjust it, okay, accordingly. Okay, let's stop this. So let's go back to the smasher. We just copy all the code over, right? Okay, so these two should be good. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another custom block here called smash down, or whatever you like to call it. Okay, and you can leave that unchecked, that's fine. So smash down, basically we're gonna move the this smasher down. Let's put it down here. Okay, so smash down, we are going to use a forever loop, and then we're gonna use a repeat until. Let me zoom in one time, and then you can use the sensing, say touching ground. So basically this ground sprite, whatever sprite background here we have. Okay, and then we are going to say change y by -2. So basically it's coming down. Okay, and then when until it touches the ground, what we're going to do is we're going to broadcast a message. So what we don't want to do is we don't want to put this on here because that will mess up the thing. It will play the sound and then we'll move up. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a broadcast message. Okay, so we won't block the event. So we'll say new message, play smash sound. Okay, so they'll play the smashing sound. So we'll create that. So when I receive was it play smash sound? Okay, so you can have the sound here. You can set the volume also. set the volume, let's say 50. We don't want to be too loud. And then we can say play the sound until done. Okay. Okay, over here you're gonna put like the wait 1 second, and what we want to do, we want to make the thing go back up. Okay, so we say repeat. Let's repeat, and then you can use the operator greater than. Okay, so I forgot, I have to add one variable. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the, where we're doing the clone, we're going to take that and then we can pass it down so that the smash down can go back up to the position that it was started. Okay, so let's edit this. You can edit and you can add one variable called y. Okay, y variable, put that there. You can say now go to the here you can check the y position, and if it's greater than this, okay, repeat until this, and then we are going to move, change y by +5, so make it move back up. Okay, let's stop this. I don't want to run. Okay, so and then here where we're placing the clone. So when I start as a clone right here, right, this there was the old one, right, that we had the bounds for the thing. We'll trash all that. Okay, so we'll just call this new block, and we're gonna pass in this variable. Sorry. Okay, so pass in that variable. So this will call this one. Okay, and then it will call this, and then this will show this smasher, and then will come down. Okay, just make sure you open the smasher up, or you can just say when the start, you know, high, right? So when it come down setup, we have to fix the setup. So this is not correct. So let's delete this. Let's make this number 4. So number 4, we were looking at the position right here, right? So something like that. We can say like maybe 206. I don't know, 205, 206. And let's just go, I think, higher. Let's try 50, because the smasher is a little bit higher on here, right? So 150 is kind of high. I think it's probably like start here. Okay, so 50 should be good. And then okay, let's just test it out. I don't know if I missed any code. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So you can see, so the smashing sound, you see it go back up. So go up is a little bit faster because we're using 5. Coming down is a little bit slower, we're using -2. Okay, so you can see the smasher, right? But if it's hit this, we also want to kill the player, right? So we need to do that. Okay, so grab another one of these when I start as a clone here. Okay, so you don't want to mess with this. You always want to get another one, so that way these can run and this also can run independently. Okay, use a forever loop here. And I think I deleted the other one. I shouldn't have deleted it. I can just use this, right? Duplicate this. Let's put it here. Trash this now. So here we can put it down here. Okay. So when it touch it, this is the main character and broadcast die. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, so we're in level 4. Okay. So as you can see, I got killed by the spike, right? So if I don't get killed by the spike, then I can go to the next level, right? So that looks all fine. Looks like the spike is the smasher is working fine. So I added some more like stage for this. So if you have more stage, right, just make sure you change this code. Okay, where we had the ground. So change that. You know, if you have 5 stage, we have to do -6. So if you have 9 stage, 9 different custom here, right? 9. Then you do 10 here. Okay. Also, come back to the main character. I think the main character. So where we have this level set also, right, to increase the level. So you can say less than 9, so 9 of them. So that one is 10. So this one you have to do less than 10. This one you do less than 9. Okay. And then we can start at number 1. Go back to 1 or whatever you like. And you need to do like, let's say you want to get more of the this is number 4, right? Number 4, right? And let's say now if I pass 4, I should be able to go to 5 and 6. So earlier I cannot go to 6, right? After I go past number 5. So now it should allow me to do that. Okay, let's see. Yep. So as you can see, I have not coded this one, but you can easily putting the laser, just like how we did last time, right? The laser here. So you just say, okay, it's 6, and you want to like put a different position. Push M here, let's say 50, so negative 50, and then 120 or something like that. You can do that. So let's say you do here, let's say this is what, number 6, and I want it to be negative 50, 120, right? And then you can start the character here, number 6. So when you're making changes to your code, you can make sure that you can move it to the location that you want. So number 6, see? And let's say you want number 6, you want to have this guy patrol here, number 6. Then you can adjust it. So here, just like that, we do number 6, right? So duplicate this. Oops, sorry. Put that level 6. Okay, and then here a level 6, you can just adjust it. So let's say I mean, I already have some of the coordinate down earlier, but if you don't, just mess it, just put something different, and then you'll see. So negative 90 was here, right? So we wanted him to go up here. So what I had in my old code was negative 20. So let's say number 6. Let's see how number 6 works now. So you see, he's actually running over there. If you adjust it incorrectly, just adjust the left and right, and then you'll find it. Okay. So now this 6 is done. Oops. So number 6 is done. Number 7, right? You need a jump pad. Let's say you need a jump pad here. Then click on this little M mouse, right? This is 72, 17, right? So this is number 7. So you can just come back over here, right? So you can just duplicate this and put number 7. Oops, number 7. And you can put, like, let's say 72, I don't know, 17. It might not be exactly correct, right? Just test it out. So you can change your main character, go to number 7, right? Level 7. So you see, looks okay. Yeah, it's okay. So, and then you can put like a spike here if you want. Let's say you want to put some spike here if they miss the file or they die, then you can do that, right? This is level 7, so you say okay, level 7, I want to put spike at this location, right? Control, hit M. This is set, so about 110, 181 or something. Okay, sorry, I think I hit M over there. So you put 101. I think 97 is correct. I think all these are 97, so 101, 97. Let's just check it out. Okay, let's see. Oops, that's not correct. Oh, I moved this high. Sorry. Put it back. Okay, so you see, I need to move it a little bit further actually. 115. I don't know. So 115 is not enough. See, 120, 130 maybe. So see, 130 is good. So as you can see, this 130 looks great. So if you want another smasher here, so same thing, right? Put this here, and where we have the smasher, right? So move this down, duplicate this. This is number 8, right? So here I think it's in the middle, so like 0 or 2 or whatever. So let's just say 2 and then 50. So you can test it out. Number 8, go back here, change it to 8. Let's stop this, and you can see, yep, that's coming down correctly. So you need a jump pad here to get up, right? So you can put the jump pad. So jump pad, let's say, click on this, somewhere 140, right? So take this out, duplicate this. This is 8. Oops. Put 140. Let's say -97. I think that is correct. So let's start here. So you see the jump pads there, right? Okay. So you can kind of jump over this. So there you go. That's the end. So you cannot go any further. And that's everything. So this is pretty much the game. So this is too high, I cannot get up. So maybe I'll move this down a little bit. I think originally is different. So anyway, you can put a jump pad here, make him jump up. Okay. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and give us a thumbs up on the video. Okay, and share with your friend. That would be great. Thank you very much, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.